Did you know how many hours were actually in a day when the Earth was first formed? Every single year, the moon is drifting almost 2 inches further away from us. Honestly, just talking about this is making me sweat. But people didn't always believe this. Back in the day, they actually thought Earth was the center of the solar system. I have no idea how people survive in places like that. Do you have any idea how old our planet actually is? Fast forward 800 million years from now, and a day on Earth won't be 24 hours. It will be a full... Have you ever heard facts that sound absolutely impossible but are 100% real? From the true age of the Earth to the mind-boggling size of the universe, I'm about to hit you with 5 incredible facts that sound totally fake but are completely true. I guarantee these are going to blow your mind. But stick around and watch this video all the way to the end, because that last fact, trust me, is going to leave you absolutely speechless. Let's do it. Fact number 1 is all about the size of the universe. Scientists have spent decades trying to figure out just how massive our universe really is. And the ultimate conclusion? There is literally no end to it. But recently, scientists estimated that the observable universe is about 93 billion light years across. And get this, almost 100 years ago, a scientist named Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is actually expanding, it's growing. Not only is it expanding, but it's actually speeding up. The rate of this expansion is just going to keep getting faster and faster. We all know the sun is sitting right at the center of our solar system, and the Earth orbits around it, right? But believe it or not, that wasn't always the case. Back in ancient times, people fully believed that the Earth was the center of the solar system, and the sun was the one doing laps around us. It wasn't until a scientist named Nicholas Copernicus came along and said, hold up, Earth is not the center, the sun is. He actually proved that the Earth and all the other planets are the ones orbiting the sun. Do you have any idea exactly how old our Earth is? If not, I'm about to tell you. But hold on, if you haven't smashed that like button yet, don't wait, hit it right now. And hey, want me to drop more crazy facts like this? Drop a comment down below saying show more facts. That's all you gotta do, and I'll keep bringing the heat. Okay, so the Earth is a staggering 4.54 billion years old. Now you're probably thinking, how on earth did they calculate that? There were no humans around when it formed. Well, they use a crazy cool technique called radiometric dating. Basically, they research rocks to figure out exactly how old they are. And the oldest rock we have ever found? Yep, 4.54 billion years old. That's how we know the exact age of our planet. Fact number 4 is all about extreme temperatures. The average temperature on Earth is about 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and wherever you live is probably somewhere around that vibe. But there are spots on this planet that are just built different. For example, over in Antarctica, at a place called Vostok Station, they recorded the lowest temperature in human history, a bone-chilling negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Just imagine trying to survive that. On the flip side, the highest temperature ever recorded was right here in the US, out in California's Death Valley. It hit a scorching 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Honestly, just talking about that is making me sweat. I have no idea how people survive in places like that. Did you know that when the Earth was first formed, a single day was only 4 hours long? I know what you're thinking, dude, how is that even possible? A day is 24 hours now, shouldn't it have always been 24 hours? Nope, and here's why. Our planet is actually hitting the brakes. Earth's rotation is slowly but surely slowing down. But why is that happening? It's all because of the moon. Our moon is literally drifting further and further away from us. Every single year, the moon moves about 1.5 inches away from the Earth. And the crazy part, the further the moon gets, the slower the Earth spins. Picture this, way back when the Earth was just formed, the moon was basically a newborn too, and it was super close to us. Because it was so incredibly close, it whipped the Earth around at ridiculously fast speeds. And because we were spinning so fast, a full day flew by in just 4 hours. But since the beginning of time, the moon has been inching away, acting like a brake on Earth's spin. That's exactly why things slowed down enough to give us the 24-hour days we know and love today. And get this, it's not stopping anytime soon. The moon is going to keep drifting, and the Earth is going to keep slowing down. Fast forward about 800 million years into the future, a single day on Earth won't be 24 hours anymore. You are going to be looking at a massive 30-hour day. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. I know these facts just completely blew your mind. Do you want to see more mind-boggling facts? Then make sure you hit that subscribe button right here so you don't miss out on the next one.